Welcome to the Trust Group. As we are now open for business, we've put together a short video just to give you confidence with the measures and steps that we've put in place within all of our businesses across the group to ensure both yours and our staff safety when you come and visit us for servicing, routine maintenance and any appointments or visits to discuss the purchase of your next new or used vehicle. If you are looking to book your vehicle in for routine maintenance or servicing, then our dedicated call centre team here at the Trust Group will make sure that we book a convenient date and time for you to bring your vehicle into the business. Customer will come in, get to the designated waiting point as you see here in the business. They'll then be called across at a given time to the service reception team, where the team will welcome them, obviously using the distance areas that they've got at the reception desks. At that point, we minimise the paperwork involvement. If the customer, for example, is collecting a vehicle for a loan car, then it's one simple digital signature. Aside from that, we're trying to keep everything else down to a minimum. They'll leave our keys with us, which we will then put into a small plastic carrier bag, take through to our service workshop and let the customer carry on with their daily business. So we've still got our toilet facilities within the business operational, but what we are doing is obviously trying to make sure that we socially distance, so trying to make it that one customer goes in at any given time. In there, you've then got hand sanitation and all the necessary hand cleaning products that you would expect. If you are one of our customers that's booked a waiting appointment, obviously once we've checked you in with your vehicle, you'll have a designated waiting area where you can wait for the vehicle until its completion, again with hand sanitizer, wipes, etc., everything that you would expect to see to keep you safe whilst you're waiting here in the business. Once we've got your vehicle into the workshop, you can see that the technician working on your vehicle today still has all of the steering wheel and seat cover, gear knob and handbrake, along with all of the coverage that we would normally have on the vehicle to ensure again that it is kept as clean whilst we're doing your routine maintenance. Once the vehicle's been completed by the technician, they'll bring that vehicle out here, they'll remove the seat cover, and then the rest of the vehicle will be sanitised by one of our valeting team that come across, as you can see, doing door handles inside and out, again steering wheel, gear lever, handbrake where applicable. Once you've had a call from our service team to say that your vehicle's ready for collection, you make your way back down to the business, bring yourselves in and you'll come to the service desk again. There they'll have your paperwork in a little envelope ready for you. Your key will be sanitised in a small plastic carrier bag, and finally then the last thing we'll do is take payment and we'll get you on your way. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. As I said at the start, we've put in extensive measures across all our businesses to ensure the safety of both you, our valued customers, and our staff members when you come to visit Trust Group for service, routine maintenance, and any sales visits for new and used vehicles.